In this video, you'll learn how to choose the best way to add users to your ThingLink organization. For larger organizations, consider using an integration. Single sign-on lets users access ThingLink with their existing work or school accounts, while LTI lets teachers and learners access ThingLink directly through your learning management system. These options make it easier to manage access centrally and automatically add users to your organization. To learn more about the integrations available to your organization, review the Integration tab under the Organization menu in ThingLink or contact your ThingLink account manager. If you are just getting started and only need to add your first few users, you can add them manually from the Organization page. Open the Users tab and select Add New Users. The easiest option is usually an email invitation. Enter the user's email addresses, and ThingLink will create new accounts or invite existing ThingLink users to join your organization. Users will get an email with instructions. Use an invite code when you want users to join on their own. You can share an organization invite code or a group invite code if users should also be added to a specific group. The invite code can be entered during the registration or view the Use Invite Code button. To create many accounts in advance, use Import from File. Download the XLSX or CSV template, add the user's information, and upload the completed file. ThingLink can also generate login IDs and passwords for you. Finally, use manual account creation when users cannot use real email addresses. ThingLink will generate the login details, which you can then distribute to your users. Additional instructions for each option are available directly in the ThingLink interface. If you need any help, contact your ThingLink point of contact or our support team at support@thinglink.com.